I'm Jay Horton. I make movies that make money. This is how. If you want to learn how to make more money with your indie movies, subscribe now. Today, I'm going to tell you how to promote your independent film on YouTube and how not to promote your independent film on YouTube. YouTube can be a very powerful promotion tool for your movies if used correctly. With each feature project I do, in addition to at least one full trailer, I create anywhere between 5 to 10 3 to 5 minute clips from the actual movie. Depending on which platforms the movie is available on, I may superimpose bumpers like available on Amazon or Tubi TV over it. Then I do my SEO homework. Look for keyword combinations to use in the title of the video, description, and tags. Then I put them into playlists. I schedule these clips to publish once a week. Each time one is published, I share it across all my social media platforms and in any appropriate groups or subreddits. Then make sure you're engaging and responding to comments. YouTube, like most social media platforms, loves engagement, and it's a good way to cultivate your following. And this brings me to sub for sub. Please, for the love of Pete, don't fall into this trap. Sub for sub is complete bullshit. You do need 1,000 subscribers to monetize, but if it's empty subscriptions, meaning people that just followed you just for you to follow back, it doesn't help. In fact, that kind of behavior can hurt you. YouTube looks hard at your metrics and how many of your subscribers are actually watching your stuff and how often. The more empty subscribers you have, the less YouTube will show your videos to the people that actually matter. And almost every major YouTuber backs this up. I hear it time and time again. If you have some tips for using YouTube to promote your indie flicks, sound off in the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell.